Hello student, all of us were studying about the exponent. So we have to solve some questions of exponent. Find the value of 1 raised power 25 minus 1 raised power 52 c minus 1 raised power 99. Find the square of each of the following: a minus 5, b minus 7, c minus 3 by 11. Find the reciprocal of each of the following: 3 by 4 raised power 5 minus 2 by 3 raised power 7. Express each of the following as a rational number: minus 2 raised power minus 2, minus 3 raised power minus 4, 1 by 3, 4 raised power minus 1. So let's start to solve from question number first. A 1 raised power 25. What is the value of this? You can write this 25. 25 times 1 is 25 times. But here we know if the base is 1 and power is any number, any integer, type either odd or even. But the value of that is 1. 1 raised power something is equal to 1. एक जितनी भी पावर है सबकी वैल्यू क्या होती है? 1 ही होती है. जैसे 1 raised power 25 तो 1. A simple से you can write like this: 1 into 1 into 1 up to into 1 25 times 25 times. So the value of this is equal to 1. There is no need to write this, but all of you know when the power of 1 is something, either that is 1 or any number. So the value of that is 1. You have to write this 25 times 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1. Answer is 1. So B minus 1 raised power 52. When the base is negative, and power is even, when power base is positive, then power is either negative or positive. The value of that will be 1. अगर बेस जो है 1 है, पावर चाहे नेगेटिव हो चाहे पॉजिटिव हो, उसकी वैल्यू 1 होती है. यदि बेस इज नेगेटिव, दैट इज 1. यदि बेस 1 हो और वो नेगेटिव हो तो हम पावर देते हैं. इफ द पावर ऑफ -1 इज इवन नंबर, यहाँ 52 इज इवन नंबर, सो द -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 52 times. Here we know that 52 is a even number. I have told you that when we multiply in numbers and the number of negative sign is even, in those conditions the product is positive. So 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1, product will be positive because the power or the number of minus negative is 52, because we we have to write -1 52 times. 52 times मतलब means even number of negative sign is even. So in those cases the product is positive, and 1 1 ja 1 1. The value of this is 1. Now you have to solve question number C. C is -1 raised power 99. You have to write this 1 in -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 99 times. 99 times. Here minus base is -1 and this is -1. We have to write -1 in multiplicative form. 1 is repeated 99 times. What is the number of negative sign? 99. 99 is a odd. When the number of negative sign is odd, the number of negative sign जो है even ना हो, odd हो, यहाँ 99 जो है odd is in this condition the sign of product will be negative. Minus 1 1 ja 1 multiplied by any times the product is 1. The value of this is 1. So we have solved question number first, and you can solve these types of questions from your exercise book, and these are the solutions of question number 1, option A, B and C. So we start to solve the question number 2. Question number 2. Find the square of each of the following. Here you have to find the square. A minus 5. Solution. Square of minus 5 is equal to square. Square is raised power 2. When the power of any number is 2, that is called square of that number. Here 5 minus 5 is the number, and the square of this will be minus 5 raised power 2. Now we have to multiply 5 into 2 times. Minus 5 into minus 5. Here the number of negative sign is even. 2 1 2 even. So in this condition the product yield will be positive. Plus 5 5 is 25. All of you know that if there is no sign before any number, that is considered positive. So here the number of negative sign is even. Even is 2 4 6 8. Here negative sign is 1 2. If the number of negative sign is even in multiplication, so the sign of product will be positive. Here the number of negative sign is even, so the product of 5 into 5 will be positive. So this is 25. B is minus 7. Solution. Square of minus 7 is equal to minus 7 raised power 2 is equal to minus 7 into minus 7. Here the number of negative sign is even, so the product of sign will be positive. 7 7 is 49. Option C. C is minus 3 by 11. Solution. Minus 3 by 11. Square of minus 3 by 11 is equal to minus 3 by 11 raised power 2. Square of any number, we have to write the power of that number is 2. Minus 3, open this, minus 3 by 11 into minus 3 by 11. In multiplication, when the number is given in rational form, numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. Here sign is even number 1 2 1 and 2 negative sign. So number of negative sign is even, so the sign of product will be positive. 3 3 is 9, 11 1 is 11, carries 1, 11 1 is 11 1 12. This is the value. 9 by 121 is the value. So square of minus 5 is 25, square of minus 7 is 49, square of minus 3 by 11 is equal to 9 by 124. And all of you can solve this type of question from your exercise book. Now we have to solve question number 3rd. Question 3rd. Third, find the reciprocal of each of the following. A. 3 by 4 raised power 5. Solution. You have to write the reciprocal. In the reciprocal, you have to change numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator. Only you have to do only this. So reciprocal of 3 by 4 raised power 5 is equal to, here numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. So you have to change numerator change into denominator, denominator change into numerator. So we have to write numerator here, numerator will be 4, denominator will be 3, power will be 5. This is the reciprocal of 3 by 4 raised power 5. This is the reciprocal of. You can write this is equal to, don't change the when reciprocal, you have to find the reciprocal of any rational number in those conditions and when power is given. So in those conditions you have to change the power, negative into positive, positive into negative, but there is no need to change the denominator into numerator, numerator into denominator. Like this, if you don't like to change the numerator into denominator, you can write or 3 by 4 raised power minus 5. Both are same. When you will change it positive, numerator will be changed into denominator, denominator will change into numerator. Then it will be positive. यदि आप इसको डेनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर बनाएंगे, न्यूमरेटर को डेनोमिनेटर बनाएंगे, तब ये माइनस होगा, क्योंकि अगर हम खोलते हैं इसको तो 3 रेज पावर माइनस 5, 4 रेज पावर माइनस 5, ये नेगेटिव, when it will convert into denominator into numerator, numerator into denominator, it will change into positive. Like this, 4 raised power 5, it will convert into numerator and denominator 3 raised power 5. ये ऊपर जाएगा, ये नीचे आएगा, तब पॉजिटिव होंगे. In this condition, 4 by 5 raised power 5. This is same thing. 4 by 5, 4 by 3, sorry, here 3, 4 by 5, 3 raised power 5, 3 raised power, this is 3. 3 raised, both are equal, 4 by 3 and 4 by 3, both are we have changed negative into positive. So here you have to do the reciprocal of second b. B is minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 is same, recursive solution. Solution reciprocal. Reciprocal of minus 2 by 3 raised power 7 is equal to here. We have to change denominator into numerator, numerator into denominator. 3 by minus 2 raised power 7 और आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं. There is no need to change the rational number minus 2 by 3, but you have to change power into negative minus 7, and this or 3 by 4 raised power minus 5. So all of you can solve the question based on reciprocal. Either that is integer or rational number. You can find the reciprocal in this way. And you can solve this types of question from your exercise book. Now come on question number 4. A is 2 raised power minus 2. Here it is in exponent form, but we have to change it into rational number. Rational number is numerator and denominator. All of you know that if any number is written like this 2, then 2 is written like this 2 by 1. When 2 is divided by 1, answer is same. So every number has a denominator 1, because there is no difference when we write denominator of any number 1, because any number is divided by 1, the answer is same number. So every number has denominator 1. So you have to find the value of the solution. Minus 2 minus 2 raised power minus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 1 raised power minus. Here this is a negative, power is negative. When we change the numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator, the power, the sign of power is changed. Here 1 by minus 2 is raised power 2. Here we have changed the numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator, then power of sign of power will be changed. So here power was negative, but here we change the numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator, and the sign of power is positive. Here sign of power was negative, here sign of power is positive. So open this. When we open it, 1 raised power 2 minus 2 raised power 2. Open this. 1 into 1 minus 2 into minus 2. 1 1 ja 1. Here number of negative sign is even. 2 1 2 even number. So the product will be positive. 2 2 2 4. So 1 by 4 is a rational number. The value of 2 raised power minus 2 will be 1 by 4. That is a rational number. Now solve the question number B. Option B. B is minus 3 raised power minus 4. Solution. Here we can write minus 3 raised power minus 4 is equal to minus 3 by 1 raised power minus 4. Here you have to change numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator when power is negative. So here power is negative, so you have to change numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator. Now we have changed and minus 4 will be converted into plus 4. Now open it. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. You can also write 1 raised power 4 minus 3 raised power 4. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Here 1 manja 1 manja 1 manja 1. 1 multiplying any time, that is called the product will be 1. 1. Here the number of negative sign is even. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of negative minus sign is even. In those conditions, the product sign of product will be positive. So 3 3 is 9, 3 27, 3 81. 81. So 1 by 81 is the value of minus 3 raised power minus 4. This is a rational numbers. Now question third. C. C is 1 by 3 raised power minus 1. Here power is negative, so we have to change denominator into numerator, numerator into denominator. Power will change into positive. 3 by 1 raised power 1. Open. 3 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. 3 1 ja 3, 1 1 ja 3 by 1 or 3 by 1 or 3. This is rational number. 1 by 3 whole raised power minus 1. The value of this will be 3. This is a rational number. So today we have solved some important questions that you have to solve in your exercise copy, homework copy, or your notebook. With the help of exercise book, with the help of your books, you can solve many questions related to this topic. I think all of you have understood these types of questions. Watch this video and try to solve questions related to this topic. So it is sufficient for today. We see in next video. Thanks.